Hi, here we are in our Google slide deck trying to convince everyone that tacos are the best. And in this session, we're going to be talking about adding images, the three different ways that you can do that. The first way that you can add images is to go to Insert, choose Image, and then you can search the web right here. Now, on this slide, I'll be looking for a girl to fit so that it shows that my daughter is the one who said that. So when you find the image that you like, click and choose Insert. Once your image is in there, you can resize it. You can look for the four arrows so you can move it around on the page. So there you go. That's one way for you to add images. Let's talk about option number two. Option number two is to make a Google drawing, and this is how you can draw it yourself. I did this right up here on this slide where I wrote the word tacos. I didn't want to use just fonts. I wanted to draw it on my own. So to do that, click on a new tab, and in your URL, type drawings.new. That will open you up to a blank drawing page. Here are all of your tools. So if you would like to maybe make a square and you can play around and change the colors. Whoa, how about we do green instead? And using the line tool, you can use any of these. Maybe you want to use a scribble and you want to write tacos in cursive. I'm just clicking and dragging until I'm finished. And then I can maybe come up and change my font to thicker. If I don't like it, I can undo. Whatever works for you. When your image is the way that you like it, click File, Download, PNG. You'll see that it moved right down here. On a Chromebook, it might move to your downloads or your Google Drive. You can, for me, I can just click it and drag it right back to my Google slide, and there's the thing I just created. So have fun creating your own pictures on there. Your next option is to use one of two different safe sites. The first one is called Pixabay, and it is linked on your Google site. And Pixabay allows you to have images that are free and available for download. The copyright has been released for them. To get an image, just search for your topic, find your image, two-finger click, and copy. Then go back to your Google slide deck and two-finger paste. Now you will want to go back to your image. You should be able to click the image, and if it has any licensing information, it would be right here. And you would want to copy where you got that. So let's copy the URL and let's put that on our credits page. So I'm going to just add a page that says taco image on slide 13. And I'm going to highlight that. And I'm going to, when I highlight that, I'm going to right click and I'm going to link it. I'm going to paste that link right there. So now it is linked to that. I've given credit where the author is. The last website that you can use is one called Unsplash, and I'll just search taco. These are premium up here, so you don't want to use any of those. You'll look down here for ones that are available and free to use. Following the same thing, you're just going to two-finger click, copy the image, and then paste it into your Google slide deck. Go back to Unsplash. You might have to open it up and look for if there's any licensing information that you would like to include. If not, I'm going to X out of here. I'm going to copy the link address for that one. And I'm going to go and put that on my credits. Taco pictures on slide 13. And that way, if anybody wants to know if my images were sourced with copyright safety, I already have them linked and they are in my credits. All right, so those are the ways that you can get images for your presentation.